felt thankful to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pushpa. Thank you.
May I go next?
Yes, Soumya.
Yeah. I came to know about NLP itself, like everyone knows, through Vaishnav only. I was very skeptical in the beginning as to, whether I should do this or not. I have all the answers anyway within me. Is this going to help me in any way? But somewhere down the line, I felt, okay, I need help. I need to, release whatever I'm holding back. So I said, okay, fine. Let's start the journey. So I feel like from day one, all that I came with a high level of emotion. I came into this program, but towards the end, I can't say that I'm like 100% cured or anything, but I can feel that sense of lightness. I can feel like I've changed for the better, and I feel like the way I speak, the patterns in which I use, the language that I use with other people, I'm making a conscious effort in changing myself, and slowly as the days to come, even it's showing even in the work that I do, even when I'm doing my art or anything. I feel like I can, in my own way, if I can help someone else, I think I think I'll be able to help them, whether it's from my art or by just listening to people if they are down. I think that is my biggest learning, that everyone carries a baggage, and you don't have to give them all the answers. You don't need to have the answers for them. It's they have to get the answers from within. Everyone has the answers, and it's how they address it, and learn from it. And even though I shared all my experiences over here, um, I I wasn't told what to do, but I was only guided to figure out those answers that are already there within, and I carry that. I'll be carrying that a long way with me.
Thank you, Soumya. Thank you for sharing. And the fact is, you chose to, like I think I did say these words. You're a very bold girl. You chose to be, you're courageous. You chose to share things. Um, if I call myself as a stranger on day one, you did choose to share, which says a lot about you and your commitment to learning. I would say, hey, I want to make sense of my space. I want to make sense of what am I doing. And I think that requires a lot of courage. And for me, it's people like you who go on to change the world. And I think
Thank you so much.
Pathshala is just the beginning.
Thank you so much.
Um,
It means a lot to me.
So shall I?
yes, Vishal.
Yes, sir. There is something that I want to share with you all. Now, first of all, I completed, as you know very well, I completed my NLP Foundation workshop with one influencer last month only. From where I got my interest developed for this NLP Business Practitioner workshop. And I'm very much delighted to share that this workshop was fully packed or well equipped with so many tools and techniques, along with the practical demonstration about those techniques that helped me a lot to figure out my own thinking and behavioral patterns. And yeah, I have learned how to apply these techniques in my day-to-day life, in my personal, professional, family, and social aspect of the life, to get the desired result which I'm looking forward. So I must and I am willing to express my profound gratitude And thanks to Ramesh sir for sharing the knowledge with me and sharing this classroom memories with me that I will cherish forever. And apart from this, I would like to thank Mona ma'am, Sugandhi ma'am, and all the participants who were with me in this journey of excellence through NLP. And at last, I'd like to say that if someone is in the same journey to get the excellence, to figure out the excellence through NLP, this is the best platform to start with. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vishal. And I'm sure people in Bhopal, in this particular town, because you said you're new and you want people to know you. The fact is, you have left a mark with all of us in your own unique style and unique way. So similarly, people will remember you, will come to know who is Vishal, and my best wishes in that direction.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Ramesh, I'd like to go next. Can I?
You can.
My experience in the session so far are just to bring in a particular series which I used to watch. It is called The Heroes. People who might have seen it might know. This is about a particular character which is a loud character in that series, wherein he is actually the villain. Later, he turns out to be a person whom everyone likes. So when he was a villain, this series is about people who have got extraordinary powers. It could be telepathy, it could be telekinesis, or it could be minting money out of nowhere. It could be anything you can think of, superhero-like. So what this villain does is, he has the power to get whatever powers others have from them. Okay. So in the beginning of the series, it will be like he has to kill them in order to get the series. Later, someone will he'll kill a person who has the power without killing to get the whatever is the speciality of them. So later he'll go on to just they show it in a scientific way, science fictional way, but it's kind of modeling only, if we have to put it in NLP. He'll identify what their powers is, and whichever powers he wants, he will pick it from them. Okay. So this I saw sometime when I was in college. I was just contemplating if this can be done in real life. So having gone through the session so far, I really feel NLP is the way to get that possible in reality. So whatever I want to get from anywhere, it's the whole world is a catalog and filled with amazing people. The amazing traits I can pick, choose, model, and get it into me. So this is what my experience with NLP is.
Who's the hero? Who's the hero? You are the hero. You are the hero.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ramesh.
Yes, sir. Who's next?
Yes, Nihal.
Maybe. So, if I may, so for me, I realized that, the learning for me is that, this is obviously a journey, but I need to figure out what I want to let go of in order to make space for what I want to achieve. So there's many things I need to let go of in order to make room and have energy for what I want to get out of my life. So that's my learning.
And thank you for showing up, Nihal. Come what may, come what, even if you had a hard party, you are on camping site or you are at home, you just showed up, which says a lot about you and your commitment. So yes, thank you for showing up, is what I would say. And just to also let you know that it's easy to say, and I would not say easy to say, easy for me to listen when you say let go, but there's a whole lot of work behind it, and people who have experienced it know the pain of it. And when they achieve what they want to achieve, they do celebrate. So my best wishes to you, Miham. Yes.
I'll
Yes,
go next.
Ani.
So, from a teacher's perspective,
Yes.
In Montessori, we say the role of the teacher is that of an invisible, the teacher is supposed to be the invisible link who connects the learner with the learner. In other words, it's about the learner and the learning, not so much about the teacher. She's only supposed to be the invisible link who connects these two. So throughout these 8 weeks, I was observing you as a teacher for me to be inspired by. So I saw that there was no overwhelming presence of you. It was always about finding the excellence in the audience, in the coaches. So you let that happen so very nicely, and you were a guide from the side. Very nicely you did that part. And that's a big, for me, especially who's in teaching, for me, that's what we live by. That's how we deal with the children too. It's not our imposing presence in the class. It's about the child and learning. So that way it was a lot of inspiration I derived from how you guided the sessions. It's a big takeaway for me. Although I feel I'm really at the beginning, I have a lot to learn. The tools and all the modalities that you have given, I plan to take away this thing which you keep saying, presupposition. So I'm going to go away believing that presuppose that I already have all those things and start practicing the tools, lovely tools that you have given. It's more about the practice, one step at a time. So thank you for being you.
And I want to assure you, Bhavani, that this door is always open for you. You are someone who teaches the world, the future generations, if I say, all those children who come to you. So you do connect. You have like, I happen to listen to your talk. You're very knowledgeable when it comes down to addressing parents. And what I'm doing, my bit here, is to show that it can be done a little differently as well. You do stand out very, very tall in your own way. And for someone like you to show up here and say, okay, I'm willing to surrender to the platform of learning, all of us here, it's your humility, I would say. And I would welcome you again and again whenever you feel like, hey, I have this, can I? Please do, because you work with hundreds of children. And I would like to be a part of it in some way through you.
I was going to ask you, I'm glad that you brought that up. At some point, I would like you to do one or two for our parents about communicating with children.
That is later. First, it is Bhavani.
Okay.
Yes, Kishore.
Yes, sir. You rightly said the doors are always open for us. And this helps us a lot, sir. You really guided us, even in the foundation as well as in the program. I always used to think that this is just a training. We get a training certificate and I don't know how will we use it. But the tools which you have given us, the beliefs of excellence, filters, and the levels of change, if we apply the same to our work wherever we are, or even in our day-to-day life with our children or our family, I think we can gradually go to that excellence level. And I'm sure this is going to help us a lot. And yesterday when we were doing the conflict, that parts integration program, my conflict was whether I do the masters now or I postpone it. So I don't know. Saranya was right to guide me that you should do it ASAP. Let us see how does it go. But I really enjoyed a lot. I got 20
marks extra.
Pardon, sir? Pardon, sir?
I said Sharanya gets 2 marks extra.
Yeah, she should. I told her you will be a very, very good coach. I think Giti would vouch for that. She really guided me a lot, and hopefully I should be there in the masters also. Besides that, besides you, I got 21 more gurus to teach me about NLP and the excellence, and I'm thankful to all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kishorji. You got a big heart, man. You got a big heart.
Thank you.
It's like you are somebody who's always given me the impression that you like to carry everybody along with you. It's like We Are the World. There's a song called We Are the World, and somewhere you demonstrate that all the time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I go next?
Yes, you may.
All right. So there's this very beautiful saying that I've been hearing from childhood, which is "Loka samasta sarve jana sukhino bhavantu." In what
Yes.
Fundamentally, I come from my father's always taught me that if people around you are happy, it's not important that you are happy because it comes from yourself. Don't depend on anybody. Over the past 2 years, or actually 3 years, I've been trying to reflect upon who I am as an individual. What are the influences that I have? What are the conditionings that I've had while growing up? And what am I today? Who is the person? Who is Deepti today? And I have been consciously trying to learn ways from different masters, different gurus, different individuals all around the world, my home, to understand, right? To understand, who are you? Why are you here in this world? What is the end purpose? I think I spoke to Ramesh yesterday. One of the beautiful things that I've learned in this session is that the language, might be different. We might call it clean language, the clean questions, levels and all. But at the end of the day, I've learned that every single individual is ready to learn together and learn about themselves. All 23 of us here, one thing I've learned is everybody, all the energies need to match to come together. I'm a very strong believer of that. And every time I come and sit here, I've missed one class, but I've genuinely not missed a single class, because this is not just one way. And Ramesh, there's this, I'm going to give you another series. There's a beautiful series that I watch called Midnight Diner, right? It's a show where there's the chef, right? And the thing is, he does not cook. There's no set menu. You can bring him whatever you want and he cooks it and he gives it to you, right? And there are a bunch of strangers who just come together at midnight in that diner, in a small diner in Tokyo. They have conversations with each other. They solve each other's problem. He just sits there and nods, right? And everybody keeps coming there only for that, right? So they know that he enables them, and that's it. That's all they look forward for. So this session, this past 8 sessions have helped me observe. I've taken, trust me when I say I have taken every individual trait that I've seen from all of you. And I always say that I like talking, but this course, I refuse to speak a lot, and I wanted to take in as much as I can from every single individual here. And thank you so much for that. It's been an amazing journey.
Thank you, Dipti. One of your words, which you mentioned about energy, you said you're a very strong believer of the word energy. For me to say, so what it reminded is like, yes, because when you showed up with your larger family here, the five of you, four of you, which is Bhavani, Saranya, Soumya, and you. And then I put it out to the group. What do they think? They said yes. So yes, the energies. So yeah, when you say you're a strong believer of that energy, I think there is definitely that kind of an energy which brought all of us together. Because when I began this workshop, I had some numbers in my mind. That's it. There was something which brought us together. You called it energy, and I totally agree, and it resonates with me. And I love the story of what you said about this midnight.
It's called Midnight Diner.
Oh my God, lovely. Okay, thank
It's
you.
a beautiful series.
Yeah. Thank you. And it's absolutely okay if some people are not wanting to share as well. Doesn't mean that just because we have to speak up. Should I share? Not required. If you feel like.
I like to say something.
मैं बोलूं?
Okay.
Okay, okay. अनुपम जी आप बोलिए.
नहीं, you can go first. Fine.
Okay. How many people didn't understand Hindi? Please hand raise.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many people. Yes. That's why I will try to speak in English. Okay. Before attending this session, I did so many. I learned from so many trainers all over India and abroad, NLP and another training program. I also did lots of training from last 20 years. I teach more than 2 lakhs people. And my normal program group size is 1,500, 200, thousands of people. But one thing, एक ऐसा चीज जो मुझे इंस्पायर करता है NLP सीखने के लिए. One thing that's inspired me to learn NLP, that is NLP immediate effect in our life, change like beliefs and patterns and another things. When I met first time Ramesh sir in Mumbai conference program, then I did decide to attend NLP practitioner in Chennai. Wonderful experience with Mona ji and Sugandhi ji. And after that, I want to explore something more. And thank you, Ramesh sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I also run my NLP Foundation workshop is parallelly. This is I am able to done inspiring from you. And जो मैंने यहाँ सीखा, what I learned from here, that I apply on in my own program. Wonderful result, and all participants is very happy, and I'm also more confident, and I also will learning something more about NLP and from you. Thank you, all of you, all fellow my team members. Thank you for you were also teach me lots of things. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ramesh sir. Thank you, Mona ji and Sugandhi sister Sugandhi ji.
Thank you, Amrit.
माफी करिएगा, इंग्लिश में बहुत टूटा फूटा मैं बोलता ही नहीं हूँ, उसके लिए
आपने बहुत and I think one of the criteria, if I may say, Amresh,
Yes.
of a person, I would say, like training. Of course, you're a trainer. You train thousands of people, but I like what you did, which is like you ask people to lift their hands who all do not know understand Hindi, and then you made an attempt to speak in your own way. And I think that fits in beautifully because ye aapka hakikat hai. This is your truth. And just to be you, जो आप जानते हैं, जैसे जानते हैं, the way you chose to share, I appreciate that. Just because I have to change, I need not change. But can I just be me?
What I am.
How I've experienced you, Amrish. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. So you're what do you say? You copy very truthfully.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Come. Yes. Anupam.
Right. So there is a saying that whenever the student is ready, the teacher appears. So I always read about that, but in this time, I actually felt it because when our unit in Mumbai it closed and I was back home in Dehradun. So what happened is that I decided that I will be moving on a journey within myself now. It's high time that I am looking externally for everything. Now it's internal. So being in a place back in Mumbai where I had so many things to do, like होता है, अपने लिए time निकाल पाना मुश्किल होता है. You find difficult to. That is again, that was a thought process I had before. And now having done this course, I came into the course with a lot of, I'm sorry guys, just. So I came into this course with an open mind and I thought I'll just start from zero. And the things that I've imbibed, I would say, not just learned, I've imbibed, have gone on a very deeper level of my being. So all these things are very interesting for me. And I was really searching for something in my life in which I can be very interested in and love to practice and do. And that I found in NLP. So this is something which motivated me. Of course, we have so many things in life that we think we already know, but sometimes you need the motivation, the reminding, that the push to go forward. And this has provided me that. So I'm very thankful to Ramesh sir because I was looking for NLP for last 3-4 years actually. I never could do it. And I found him and he offered me this place here. So thank you very much. And I think this journey will definitely continue on the association.
And it's going to be a very powerful journey. The journey of inside out is very different. It's a very powerful journey. Because when you change inside, then you change a lot outside. By being an example, like how you chose to share about your mother and you in the WhatsApp group, where it's a small example of change. But yes, I'm just imagining yourself in the business world as well with those changes. When you go back, how you're going to manage larger teams, how you're going to engage. And I'm sure all the wonders of the world which you're looking for will happen. Yes, it is just the beginning.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Can I go next?
Yes.
Yeah. I started NLP because I have a quest for learning. So, and coming from HR trainer, HRD background, so NLP seemed like something very useful for my career. So, but soon I realized it's more than that. It's all about discovering yourself. It's not just the learning of the subject matter. So I'm referring to foundation and this program. So this made me realize who I am helped me to discover what I'm doing, add meaning to the things that I do. And also as a result, I would understand what others do better. So this has helped me to change the way I look at things. For example, I realized I was an aware person before. Like I would pick the problem and start explaining it. I think in my foundation, that's what I did for things, and I started explaining. But now I've become a towards person, and I mean, this is just one example, and it feels so good. It adds a lot of energy, a lot of value to what you do, the way of talking, how you see the world, how you explain things. So likewise, I mean, there are a whole lot of things happening inside me. I feel like crazy, like I can't explain it. I'm thinking of a lot of things, and I feel like I'm sharing things. Certain things are not clear to me, but I think soon I will discover these things that's happening in me. It's all because of this program, because it's all about you primarily, and it made me think about a lot of things. So thank you, Ramesh, for your excellent guidance, way of explaining things. And also I'd like to thank Monaji and Sukhariji as well for your excellent facilitation. That's why even I was away from I was out somewhere. I wanted to join so badly because I didn't want to miss a second of it, because I feel the value in it, and I'm sure this will help me immensely to think about what I want to do next after I go back to Sri Lanka. I want to do something different, something big, contribute to the society. So I think for all those things, this learning will come in handy for sure. And also I was so happy that I connected with so many beautiful people from India, because I love Indian culture. I love music, the Carnatic music too, the language to food to wearing shalwas to everything. So I myself is a Bharatanatyam dancer, so maybe because of that, I don't know. So it made me, feel so good to connect with all of you all, and I learned a lot. I learned a lot. Even in foundation, I said this, I shared this. I didn't feel the difference. I don't feel the difference, even though we have differences. But here, it's all about the feelings and how we think as human beings. So it's a very beautiful way of connecting with the world also, thanks to this online and COVID and all that. And also Mihao from a different part of the world. So learning from all of you is such a blessing. And I'm looking forward to masters also, because I feel like doing that, but probably not very soon. So thank you very much for all the guidance, Ramesh. This will be definitely one of the memorable programs in my life. So I will never forget everyone. And we will be in touch, I guess, thanks to WhatsApp.
Thank you. In fact, I thought you're not going to stop at all. You're flowing. You're flowing with so much of emotion and energy.
Even emotions. Yeah. I think you all felt it in my voice.
So, thank you. Like the way you're choosing to share, I find that quite deep, quite. Thank you for showing up. And knowing that your husband is a busy guy, and having this weekend off, and then your birthday, and all that stuff, and then, oh my God. So yes, I would say. So I also recognize it is time now on the clock, and some of you might want to leave. Some of you want to share, like Kishore is lifting his hand. I thought just in the interest before we, in case if somebody wants to leave, how about a group picture? Okay, guys, all of you come in one frame. In one frame together. Not possible, right? Yeah. Okay.
Ramesh, I'll just share something in WhatsApp which maybe which people can cherish.
How
Um,
is off camera?
Shalagia. Okay, guys. How will somebody know that you guys are smiling? Yeah. Oh, unmute yourself. All of you unmute yourself. So unmute yourself and maybe say something like everything will fit in.
Mia has come. Mia has come.
Yeah, we have
Mia
you
has
now.
come.
We can pose like, we can give thumbs up. It was an excellent session. It was okay.
You can
To say it.
Great, 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 great.
It was a great experience. Superb.
So,
Superb.
Superb.
Okay, guys.
Superb.
Excellent.
Thank you to the universe.
Yes, sir. This energy also will flow.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I hope to see you.
I also want to
I hope my little one is not in the picture.
Yes. It will be nice if she is. I love her.
Oh, really? I was just pushing her like, move away. I'm taking a picture.
So when the work from home concept started, I believe that's what a lot of people are trying to do, present the perfect side of them. But the fact is, when you're working from home, it is not about being perfect. You're just showing the personal side of the world and seeing it, living, engaged. I think that's absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. It's okay to be imperfect.
You are.
Anyway, so I would like to thank all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
But it has been a very special time because it's the first practitioner online. I've not done a practitioner online. And I have thoroughly enjoyed this space. It's been fun. It has been a whole lot of learning, experimenting certain things in the front as well as in the background. Like you said, Chatuska, there are so many memories which I'm going to remember. The first experience is something which we cherish for a long time. So I'm going to be remembering this interaction, the way we set it up, the way each one of you contributed, the way you, Kishore, sang a song. Okay, so I would like to thank each one of you for. It's like how we come to support each other, to give hope to each other, to create a difference, and go back and apply it in our space, in your family. For some of you who are in business, and then you come back to this particular reservoir to pick up anything if you feel like, and that's always available through the WhatsApp group, which is what I would expect that the conversation continue to happen that way. Even if you have an experience which you want to share or an issue which you have and you want to put it out and ask the group, I would say just put it out. So let the learning evolve from this space. Having different perspectives definitely helps. So thank you for that. Thank you. My special thanks to Sugandhi, who has been my techie person, as well as you not only stood as a techie person, you stood up as a trainer, where you delivered a couple of sessions in your own style, which is quite hypnotic, quite like. And I think what you did requires a different level of skill. I mean, I would say you were remarkable in the way you came about, Sugandhi. And I have always loved that you come forward to us. What's say like it's like so. There's a lot of work which happens behind, and I always have. So Sugandhi is one who jumps in first. So what are you thinking of? Like, what's going to be the strategy and all the stuff? So even if I'm not ready, somewhere I find that Sugandhi helps me. So the strategy kind of unfolds there. Not in a very, I would say like, it's all in sketches and anything can change anytime is what I've always told her. So in that way, you have scaled up, you have showed up, you have demonstrated, you've taken back. So thank you for that, Sugandhi. Yes. And of course, Ona, you have broken the so-called glass, the veil glass which you had in front of you. You've been holding that glass for a long time and saying, I am like this, I am like that. Just to see you breaking the glass very gently and coming out of it, you are definitely not the Mona I know. You are, yes. And I think you're choosing to share what you shared even this morning. Yes, you have a grace, you have a style, which is quite appealing, which people relate to. And I think gone are the days when people want to hear somebody coming and saying blah, 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 blah. They want a human connection. And you bring that human connection in your own style and in a very gentle way, I would say. And that's what people connect to. So I know it's the beginning of your journey, and I'm looking forward to my I put out my finger. So yes. So yeah. And I'm sure the team here is also out there to support you, receive you in any possible, get whatever you want for yourself. So you introduce the TOT model, and the TOT model is available for you as well. Yes. So all the best to you, Mona, and thank you for showing up. Thank you for being the team player. You were like a spark. You got in when we didn't have a person. You got in. You contributed. You played the role of Asif very beautifully. So yes, you had your own presence, I would say. So thank you for all that. And, yes. So I leave it there. I know some of you have asked, okay, how long this will go on, and I said 1 o'clock. So I'm keeping it for 1. So some of you who want to share, you're most welcome to share. But I would like to say a bye to all of you formally. Some of you who want to leave, I know you are always looking for a time and you want to leave at that time. So for those of you who want to leave, it's a bye from my side. And I hope to, of course, the next Sunday is the Master Prac. And I'll be seeing some faces. I know some of you have registered, so I'm looking forward to seeing some of you. I know I've not answered Balaji's question. I do not know whether I'll have the time to answer it. Maybe I might not.
We can wait, sir. We can wait
It
if you
will
want.
be helpful if you did, Ramesh.
We can wait if you want, sir.
More than the answer is, I know Kishore Datta had lifted his hand. And so I would like to honor that as well. So is there anybody else other than Kishore Datta who wants to share? 3 of you, 4 of you. Oh my God, 5 of you. Guys, as for the others, I leave it to you. What's your choice? But you're most welcome to share. I have my ears out and I'm willing to listen to you. For those
Will you
of
be telling us about the master practitioner after that?
Yes.
yes.
That is what we anticipate.
But just in the interest of time, because I know Mihao and somebody else leave in time. Chatuska, So I just want to let you know, in case you feel you want to exit, you're most welcome to exit. The choice is yours. Okay.
Ramesh, thank you for the bonus session. Bonus session, double bonus. Thank you.
What? Okay, let's listen to Kishore Datta.
Sir,
Anji.
thank you. Well, this was a, if I can define it in proper words, this was a transcendental feeling to attend the sessions, particularly when I was able to transfer myself as a third person and look at my actions as a referee. That was an out of the world feeling for me. I have been practicing certain other practices like transactional analysis, like appreciative coaching and counseling, EQ and all. And there were certain things which are actually mix and match with NLP. And I had this inner fight inside my mind which was going on, that which is more useful for me in future. And I got a very big clarity on this question, and that is what I now can clearly say it's NLP, because it has actually removed a lot of ambiguity from my thought process. So it is the simplest way how you can actually approach any other person and be easily understandable on the same side. So I'll definitely proceed for the masters which is coming up, and I have a very good plan for proceeding towards it. And then furthermore, Ramesh sir, I would also like to enroll for a coach, becoming a trainer, because I think this is one thing where I can actually proceed. Yes, I would love to dedicate few words to you, since I got a big clarity after attending your session. It goes on like, रेखते थे कि तुम ही उस्ताद नहीं हो गालिब, रेखते थे कि तुम ही उस्ताद नहीं हो गालिब, कहते हैं कि अगले जमाने में मीर भी था, कहते हैं कि अगले जमाने में मीर भी था. That means always there is a master and you have to recognize that master, and I have recognized you as a master of this. Naman Guruji. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत
क्या
शुक्रिया.
बात है.
बहुत बहुत.
Yeah. Bye, Mihao. I think Mihao wants to leave, so.
Yes.
Bye, Mihao. God bless you, mate.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mihao, for
All the
helping me.
best. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you for helping me.
Yeah.
And enjoy the rest of the day. And I hope to see you soon. And Ramesh, I will message you later as well. Thank you.
All the
Bye bye.
best.
Thank you, Mona.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Suganti. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, there is no huggy signal here. Symbol.
Okay, I can go next, Rameshji.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I wanted to speak to Mihao as well, but he left. He helped me find the answer between Lavanya and Ramesh, and I chose Ramesh. I'll explain that later. I was battling with that actually. So this has been an amazing experience. On day one, I came the way I am. I talk to a lot of millennials, so my language is slightly like them. I'm sorry. So, but day one, I understood after meeting Mona. She came into our room and asked me a few questions, and I decided. And I echo with what Deepti said, to just zip up and soak in, because Rameshji was our main anchor teacher, but all of you also taught me a lot of wonderful things, which I am really going to take forward. And thank you for sharing these videos with us, Rameshji. I'm going to keep watching them always, because there is a lot of gold mine in each one of them. Because I'll just go one by one. Monaji, I really loved your poise. She comes forward with that poise, which is like awesome. It is so powerful that you might be the biggest loudmouth on the planet, but she just puts you in your place with her mild questions, which is like really powerful. I don't know whether she's listening or not, but it is really good and very, very strong. And
I'm
Dipti,
listening.
yeah, thank you. And she just put me in my place on day one.
Was that a compliment or
It is a compliment.
Kill her?
It is a compliment actually. And Dipti, good human beings still exist in our country. People say there is bad everywhere. You just proved everybody wrong, that we have good human beings still on this planet alive. So thank you for giving me that message. Balaji, you're one of the best gentlemen I've seen. With no selfish intent, you jump in all the time to help all of us. And I just love you, bro. You're just too
Thank
good.
you,
Love.
thank you, thank you, thank
Lavanya,
you.
bundle of joy. I wish you were my sister. I'll fight with you every day. I want you to be my sister so that I can fight with you. No other reason. I just love you, sis. You're just fabulous. You were so magnetic that I am like Rameshji, mild coach, but you inspired me so much that I decided सब कुछ छोड़ के मुझे तो लावण्या बनना है. Then me, then Mihao comes to my rescue and he helps me sorting out that shut up, you are Ramesh, you stay Ramesh. This was, you're too good, sis. You're just wonderful. Vishal, bro, one of the finest gentlemen I've seen. I don't know, I thought I'm a gentleman, but I have still a lot of things to learn from you, bro. And Amrish ji, you are one of the most honest, childlike human being I've seen. आप बच्चे की तरह हो, बहुत ज़्यादा honest हो, and I really, really loved it. आपने जिस तरीके से, especially I was not able to read you all these days, but आज जो आप खुले ना, मस्त खुले भाई, मजा आ गया मुझे एकदम. I really loved it.
अभी तो हमारी ईश है सर.
Yeah, and Sandhya, you are one of those fabulous people. I have met. I don't know how do you. When I was speaking to her, what I found in her is that motherly love. So Gandhi ji, you also have that in you, and you too echo. I echo with that. वो motherly love है. Whenever I meet them, they'll just have this amazing smile. मुझे लगता है मेरी माँ है. इसको मैं hug कर लूँ अभी immediately. I get that feeling from both of you. Seriously, Archana, no matter what is happening around you, you just decided to be here all the time. Same with Ch- Chatuska. I always have trouble with that long name. My parents knew I'm stupid, so they gave me small name Joy, so that I don't misinterpret my name. So Archana and Chatuska, so much of things happening in your life, even Deepthi, but you still stayed there, standing all the time, coming back. So that is something that I'm going to learn from your resilience. Jo marji ho jaye duniya mein, let the whole world go to heaven. I'm going to be there. Richard, something that I learned from you when Ramesh ji was working with you, this is my personal learning. It is just a revision for all of you also, maybe, I don't know. So Richard, I'm exactly like you. I know the answer, but I don't want to accept the answer. But when Ramesh ji was working on you, you got it, but you were still like battling it out and you were just playing your game. But you just gave it up. And I learned from you that day that there are a lot of drama that I personally do. I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm just going to be who I am. And I had another inhibition. I just turned 40 and I'm going to be slow in my life. And Kishorji comes and give me a slap on my face. Whack, I'm smarter than all of you. Just shut up. So I know that no matter what my age, I am going to be the smartest person on the planet, and you are my role model, Kishorji. The moment Rameshji drops a question, within the first 1.1 millisecond, you have the answer ready. I just didn't start thinking, and you have the answer. How do you do that? I don't know. So I know that मुझे कोई रोक नहीं सकता है because I have a role model in the form of Kishore ji. I am going to be the same proactive person like you, and you are going to be my role model. Soumya, thank you for bringing your vulnerable side to each one of us. You were there, you were breaking up, but still you were holding ground. And as Ramesh ji says, you are a powerful woman, man. You're like my younger sister, and I
Thank you
just
so much.
thank you. You are an amazing woman. Lot to learn from you. There, when I'm weak, I just turn off my camera and go behind. But you didn't do that. You pull out your hanky, you wiped off your tears, and you said, "Life, I'm there. Come." I really like that. Chatuska, I already spoke about you. She's one of the sweetest person I've met. Really adorable. I went with her into breakout rooms 3 4 times, and she's just one of the sweetest person I have. One of my first Sri Lankan friends. So I like you. Thank you. Anupam Bhai, this guy enjoys every session. Pushpa ji and Anupam, these are the two people. After the session is over, they're just sitting over there and soaking into the energy. I wish I could do that. I would like to model this from both of you. I do not have this capacity. I'm one of those distracted people. Within 2 minutes, activities over, I'm going to sit and listen. Ab kya? But these two people don't do that, and that is phenomenal. They are still in that space. They stay there. Pushpa ji and Anupam, you are the best learner. If I was a trainer, I would love to have students like you. You're just wonderful people. And Kishore Datta, my bro, we have been connecting offline. You are one of the best gentlemen I've been. He has that childlike nature inside him to experiment and do things, no inhibitions, and that's what connects you to me. Raja, this is one gentleman with whom I also interacted personally. Fabulous gentleman who came here for learning, but you're like my elder brother, bro. I'm gonna connect with you even after this. I really like him for his humility, and he is one of those focused people. If even if there is an earthquake in his building, I think he'll be still listening to Ramesh ji. Everything will fall down. Raja and his laptop will be sitting like this. He will say to go to hell, everybody. I am going to listen to Ramesh ji. I just love this guy. How there are people walking in his room, everything happening. He's like, I'm listening to Ramesh ji. How do you do that? I can't focus. Come on. You just taught me that.
He's Raja, sir. He's Raja. He's Raja. He's Raja.
I just love him. That's the unique quality that you taught me actually. Saranya, this is one little girl who came and he's asked, I did not know how to use screen questions. And she says, come, Babu, uncle, I'll teach you. And she gives me those questions and I'm like, huh? She's like, wow. Thanks, Saranya. Young sis, you are just amazing. She just comes and tell me, if I can do it, come on, you call
You
yourself
can
20 years experience, bakwas band karo, seekh ke aao. Next day I went and read everything out of pressure because Saranya was able to do it. Thank you, ma. And Vasundhara ji, my first friend from JK maybe. Amazing. I liked your personal life when you brought forward your son. You're one of those honest people who always brought your personal life in front of all of us, especially your episode with your sons are priceless. I'll just pray to God that your son becomes one of your best assets. I really love that particular. I always remembered my mom and what I do with her whenever he will come and barge in. I remembered that. So I wish that was a priceless moment for me. Seriously, Ramesh ji, I'm going to talk about you last. I'm going frame by frame. I'm not going in any order. And Bhavani ji, thank you for being there. On my left hand side, where Ramesh ji had asked us to write something about, it was you. So I had written about you that you are from Chennai and you are a teacher and you're just humble. I liked especially that episode when you were sending that crow away. That is going to stay in my memory forever. That is the cutest way someone tells you the crow, shoo, shoo. And I was like, wow. I will remember you for that. Rameshji, thank you. It took me 10 years to reconnect with you, Rameshji, but I really had fun. Thank you. And I came here just like one of those teachers, and I believe that I'm moving out as a coach. I learned one amazing thing that if you just shut up and listen, there is so much that you can listen. That's the reason I wanted everybody to speak. And I used to think I'm a Punjabi, and that was a what we call it presupposition that I have to talk all the time. I have to add meaning to everything. I need to give meaning to everything in my life. So I used to do that all the time, but I decided to just shut up for these entire 7 weeks, and I thought I just soak into that energy like Deepthi said so that I will speak in the end. And I feel like just blessed. You're all like my family. So if I would like to stay connected with all of you, humble request. If you don't want to, that's a different thing, but I would still love to stay connected to each and every one of you. God bless you all and stay protected. Thank you, Ramesh ji, for this.
Joy, you give joy to everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's joyful.
Really.
You're the guy, like you said, you're a father as well. You're a pastor.
Yes.
You're like the guy who comes with the Christmas gifts.
Yes.
Emotional.
Christmas in July. He can have Christmas in July also.
Don't say anything. I'm feeling emotional.
So
I learned this from Saranya. Saw me. I can be emotional in front of people. I never do that. I'm a Punjabi mard. I don't do this. But for the first time, I'm breaking up. Thank you, Soumya.
You're welcome.
You're sharing gifts for all of us from that bag. And look at the pace at which you shared. Like it was really, guys, hang on.
Fantastic.
For you. And the speed which you had is a lot about you in terms of. I always believe, Joy, that whatever you say at the surface level is pure, and that's how you came about. So, yes, thank you. Thank you for all those gifts which you gave to all of us. Yes.
Thank you so much, Joy.
Thank you. God bless you all. I'll just
Thank
mute.
you, Joy. Thank you, Joy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Yeah, Vasundhara.
So I'll bring you back, Ramesh, to I think the statement that you had made in the foundation course and now, where you said that NLP gave you a lot personally. So there are a lot of things in the personal space, and therefore in life that changed for you after NLP came into your life. Honest confession, didn't definitely believe it at foundation. I'd come at foundation because from what I was reading at those times, NLP sounded interesting and I found it worthwhile attending a course in it. First day during practitioner, also didn't believe it. My only feedback and my biggest learning is that I walk out believing that one statement fully and with my deepest heart. So what it has done for me in these 8 weeks, and I was not talking because I am overwhelmed at this stage. I have been talking a lot during the sessions, and thank you, Joy, for doing what I would have liked to do, and which is my usual style of signing off. But everyone here has been absolutely amazing, and I'll leave it off at saying I've changed for the better, and hope to stay connected.
Good, very good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And biggest thank you to Sugandhi ma'am and Mona ma'am as well. Thank you so much, everyone.
Last but not the least, संध्या, वो मोची जो है ठंडा हो गया है। मोच ठंडा हो गया है।
কি হ্যাঁ মাছ করেছো জিজ্ঞেস করছি
চিকেন ম্যাম
কিছুই করোনি
সানডে চিকেন ম্যাম
চিকেন সানডে চিকেন ওকে
Sugandhi ma'am can speak in Bengali also.
Yeah, he's speaking Bangla.
Surprising.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want to say something, Sandhya, before?
Yeah. I just want to say if anybody want to join with me, they can join. Gurura Brahma, Gurudeva Maheshwara, Gurura Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. To all the teachers out here, thank you so much. Words are not enough. I mean, if I don't know, I won't be able to express whatever I have in my heart, but I'm very much thankful to you. Without my knowledge, sir, you have made me realize where I need to look back. I didn't even realize that I'm there now. Now it's the time to check myself. So without knowing, beautifully, and the space that you've created out here, Mona ma'am, Sugandhi ma'am, you, it's beautiful. It's not like learning space. It's so much comfort zone out here. You feel like you can be what you are here. You can share your thought, and that is the beauty of this session. So thank you so much. It comes from source, not from force. That's very few session can give you. I think that is a beautiful thing that I've learned here. And Ramesh sir goes without saying, thank you so much to be such a wonderful person. Thank you, Mona ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Each one, I've learned so much from every one of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandhya. Thank you. My best wishes to you as you step out to give hope to a lot of people who need it all the more today. You do work in a very tough environment. It's like when we talk about ground workers who go out, step out. So you do something, as far as I do not know if anybody else do, but you do very, very few people do what you do. So in that way, I would say it is an honor that you chose to join this group to empower yourself and go back and give that hope to 1,000 children who need it there. It's like Mother Teresa who came to make a difference in Kolkata. But you guys do it every day. And you do it every day. You live with them, you share stories, you give them hope. So I have not met Mother Teresa, but I have heard stories. But I have met you, and you have shared stories as well. Yes. So thank you.
It means a lot. It means a lot from a teacher whom I will, throughout my lifetime, I will always remember.
Okay. I think it's time for us to pause. It's a pause button, not a stop button.